guys on take things to heart. I keep telling you, see the live is dropping, I make it dip. I keep telling you people, you don't know these people from nowhere. But clearly, anything I tell you is going over on the head. This is why nothing will forever have heartaches. You know, heartaches on have heart palpitations, or on the heart have a irregular beat. Things like them things, yeah. When the worry about people business, are them things that will happen to you. Yes. Anyways, let's go into Kylie now.
Something. Me say the brazier are shook. Let me tell you something. I noticed on social media, because I said to myself, I come to chat a little bit. I said to myself, you know what? Everybody know me already. Say, listen to me. My mouth is not mine. But what I don't like is when people tell lies on me. You see, if we borrow something from somebody, me I could say me borrow something from somebody. You see, the thing about it, a lot of people out in social media, what I get to understand, some of you people on social media going around impressing people to be in their circle. Come in here when you come on Facebook it now and say, oh, people are friends from Wappy Kill Philip, you know. When actually, you know, you just meet the persons right there. Like a year ago, 2 years ago. Me no buy, that's one with Marcy. I don't buy friend. No call on Facebook as usual. When you buy friend, it's special you Carol. You Carol, 99 friend. You buy friendship. I don't buy friendship. You understand me? I heard a lady come on, I heard her doing page and people are calling me and tell me say, where she tell her that say me borrow money from you. Me swear upon the Holy Bible and my pitney life and my grand pitney. They borrow money from people before in the past, but not from you, honey.
Need some juice.
Because when me and you talk in the past, my business a boom. Don't tell the lie for me. Because when I call you three-way, my friend hook up and cut because I know you wasn't going to answer me. And when we call you three-way, your statement was, no mix me up in nothing. Master never borrow nothing from me yet. She love too much mix up, too much for your big man. Tell her to stop it. They need to stop it all for mix up. That's exactly what it says on the phone. So now when time everything I broke out from social media now, and when you people in a couscous, at that time we're not ready to come out and talk of things. But you all are not hypocrite. I mean in it. And more is left to come. I stated already, in no mix up with you know. Because trust me, if you want to come out now and go on, I would have come and go on and make curly come out and go on with myself. But me not do that because me not getting no pay. I ain't getting no stars and me not get no commercial. You understand? Me not have the time for that. If when me here today, all of me something that come out and tell you something. You is an hypocrite. Everybody knows it's a hypocrite in Africa. Enough time enough time you chat regular things and you say, oh, we time to talk to her. But she's so stubborn, she not listen. You chat. All I want to chat no one friend. Don't go on like you on a friend. Me know what I know. You Carol, when they are waiver. You what I know. You are the one who tell her say, and the other one tell her say, you not invite me to the main party, which is not a problem. But don't go on like so now, friend. You buy too much friendship. You need to start buying friendship and you need to focus on your life. You see true, me not really hear you come out of your mouth and say it. Me why you come out of your mouth, come say it. And when you come out, come say it, show receipts. Because every transaction that you and I have done together, they went straight through Zelle. You understand? You understand? You never come on me yard. Me hear you say the woman say, me sleep in a basement. You know say your son walk good. Everybody knows that upstairs me live. Me live in a one nice, beautiful house along Island. You understand me? Nice, beautiful house, Tasha house. I mean, we couldn't live in the basement because Tasha two sons live in the basement. Tasha have 4 kids in the house, three kids. 2 daughters, 2 big daughter, 1 live upstairs with me and me up there. You understand? So we could have never lived in the basement because Tasha 2 sons live in the basement, a 2 room. Me and the landlord daughter live upstairs. And the mother was up there. And when the mother moved out, he rent out to an Asian girl that came to Chicago College. So you tell me now, and other people that was there move out and go about their business. So you tell me now, how me live in a basement? You never come in my house before. You come right under the tree. You come right under the tree. You come right under the tree. Me drive come here yard, to come pick you up, to carry your garment people over buy from. Me carry you go there. Me introduce you to the
She's
shopping
addressing
world.
99
The only
friends.
thing you walk around and do was buy expensive vase. Me introduce you to the little tiny one them. Me buy the cheap version, you buy it. Then you start buy the cheap version. Me used to say to you, say, buy the cheap version, then when you go to places, buy them for me, the one them, because you go all over the place every day. Oh, I don't even know how you work. I don't even know you work in that nursing home or whatever. I don't, the disabled home or wherever you work. I don't even know you work because every time you left the job, gone to Jamaica, gone to this, and your business, like, what can I know how much money you make up?
Pause. The ratio of likes to the amount of people on the live, it's not adding up. I'm being serious. Why do you guys come here if you don't like what I do? Why wanna come for what? To look on my ugly face? Or to hear the mix up and just go? No. It's either you like what I do and you come because you like what I do, or you just don't come. Period. I'm not begging you guys. Leave me and my 120 odd people who like my video to stay and listen to the nonsense together. All of the extras, it don't make no sense in a come. Let me and my 100 and odd people who like the video, let's sit down and listen it together. Right? All of the extra number, like, wanna come for? For what? To look at me and hear the nonsense? No, don't come. Don't come. My show will go on. It will. With my 100 and odd people. I promise you. I don't have to come. Me never send phone or wanna come for. Backside. If you like it or you don't. Right? If you come here, it means you like what is happening over here. It's just simple. You come here because you like what is happening over here. It ain't no half-ass. Oh, let me go hear what the boy I put up today. Cut. No. I'm putting my foot down. No. Don't come. Let me and my little people them still here and we chat people together. All of the extra numbers, it is not. Now come. Don't come because you guys don't like it. Clearly you don't like it. Or you guys only come to hitch, to hear and go about in the business. What the rest not come for? Excuse my language, people. Excuse my language. Anyways, let's jump back into the video.
I mix up. And your house full of too much things. So you ship out too much boxes and then the boxes we are ship out a cost $800.
Thank you. I like you too.
And you ain't making the money. I guarantee you Scott and that Jamaica sit down same place. Just like how mine was down there, sit down until people thief them. But take them, sell them and rob me up. We still have some sell them. I don't know how you make your money because you ain't making. I know that your credit card is up to your head.
Let me go back, right? I'm going to go back because I know for a fact I spoke out some of the part. Alright, I'm going to let it go. Let me go back a little bit.
The only thing you walk around and do was buy expensive vase. Me introduce you to like a tiny one then.
Alright.
Me buy the cheap version, you buy it. Then you start buy the cheap version. Me used to say to you, say, buy the cheap version, then when you go to places, buy them for me, the one them, because you go all over the place every day. Oh, I don't even know how you work. I don't even know you work in that nursing home or whatever. I don't, the disabled home or wherever you work. I don't even know you work because every time you left the job, gone to Jamaica, gone to this, and your business, like, what can I know how much money you make up? And your house full of too much things, and you ship out too much boxes, and then the boxes we are ship out a cost $800. Said, oh, you make your money, and you ain't making the money. I guarantee you Scott and that Jamaica sit down same place. Just like how mine was down there, sit down until people thief them. But take them, sell them, and rob me up. We still have some sell them. I don't know how you make your money because you ain't making. I know that your credit card is up to your head.
Thank you.
Mind your own business and come out of things. I saw when people go like so when you can't talk. I own the silent killer behind closed door. Yes, me dear. I own the silent killer behind closed. Big hypocrite. But as my word stated, you see, everything soon come out on social media. And you going to be now one big behind. Me not ask you. Because you have a whole heap of secrets. Whole heap of secrets are going about this. And you're going to get yourself in a big behind. Man, you're going to get yourself in a big behind for people. And that is the problem with you. But I don't care. When you call my name, make sure say you have proof. Because me have proof in my phone. Me have proof in my bank account. Me know how much transaction I have transaction to you. For the carpet, $20.
Thank you for the
The
stars.
piece of mat them from the place was about 79. And the rest of change them from when we transfer to you for the woman cake. Not tell a lie for me. You try your best to tell a lie for me. You understand? So when time when I try to impress people, when I can't, I want you with me now. I want you with me. If me say me borrow from you, come on straight, come borrow from me now to hide. But don't come on Facebook and try to impress people and tell lie on people. Because all I'm not trying to do is to bring me down, and I cannot bring me down. That is what it is. I don't want to bring me down. But me now come up here, come hard with me, because guess what? Me are in a one different lane now. Me don't have no time to focus on the car. Me don't make a whole lot of step on Facebook and fight against each other. Yes, me there. Me come make one today, fight against each other until the truth come out. Me telling already, so I soon hear one parati balling and confession take place on social media. Me not ask no. One piece of balling and confession. I wonder how long I'm going to take to do my little thing right now. This space here, hold the backside, me come out, you know.
All right, she did it in 2 parts. She did it in 2 parts. I'm going to go get part 2 now and give it to you guys, right? Okay, so I did that part. So now I'm going to... Okay, I'm going there. Part 2 time now. Listen,